All right. Wait, you don't want to word? Okay, hold on tight now. Oh my goodness. Hold on tight.
Get it. This is a lot of this guy that's really scared. No, I'm talking about right here. This is
That's Gloria's sister right there. So what do you think about the place so far? Huh?
It was good. The water slide was fun, and I wish there was food.
I wish there was what? Food?
Give me the music.
Yeah, of course. You guys are gonna eat
roller coasters are fun.
after this. Yep.
Yeah, the roller coaster was fun.
So,
See that one with the yellow one that goes upside down? And then
I did you try the small one?
where's mommy?
go over there.
All right, guys. So what's up? The day has come to an end. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Huh? Everybody had fun? What is the one thing that you don't like about this place?
It's cool. The lines are long.
The lines are long,
Too much people.
too many people, and the sun is scorching hot. Right? Yes.
That's why I was hurting my feet.
So yeah, that's the only bad thing about this place. It's just way too hot. But other than that, all the rides are good. These guys enjoyed swimming, and yeah. So overall, it's a good trip, right? Especially to this guy because it's his first time ever here in Washington. So the Hawaiian boy, you like it so far? Did you like it? Okay, good. All right. So, guys, the day has come to an end. Off we go to Oregon. All right, and then the fun continues. All right, see you guys later. Peace. Bye, wild waves. Bye. Okay. So, yes, what a day, what a long day, but it was worth it, you know. The kids were having fun. Mommy and Daddy were with them. We had fun, and Elston had fun, so everybody had fun. So, come on. So, yeah. The only thing I hate about this place is too hot. Too hot. Okay, time to eat some spa musubi time. Woo. Oh man. Okay, see you guys in a few. We're gonna go straight to the car, start him up, get the AC on, and eat some musubi. It's right here.
You don't water, just water. So then when you drink. Over there. There.
This is the Micronesian ship. Full house. Alright guys, we are leaving Wild Waves and we're going to Oregon. Connor, you guys wave to our camera.
Can you wait?
No, I cannot wave. Come on, guys, wave.
Auntie Lily. Hot. Get your soda. Here, Pepsi. Thank you. Want Pepsi? Thank you.
And Celine and her gang, they're going back to Seattle. Bye. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if I could have everybody fasten your seatbelts, please make sure that you sip your milk and just relax and enjoy the flight. We'll be there in Salem, Oregon shortly. Thank you very much. This is Captain Lily Sanders. Why you laugh? Thank you. Alright. Okay, bye.
This thing's so big.
We're at max capacity.
Oh man, we have exceeded the. How is this even possible? All right,
You were next to a businessman.
you gotta hurry up because
He
I'm
just
hungry.
checked in into our-
I'm hungry.
Well, that was quick. Go.
All right, look at this. This is the typical chugis with ice chest. Look. Anyway, guys, we're at a different location right now. We just arrived. Once again, this is our crew.
Hey, guys, we're doing a room tour.
That's our room? Okay.
It has to be green.
Okay.
And look at us all, guys.
Nice. Good morning, fellas. What's up? We are currently on the next day. I'm here again with this boys. What's up?
What's up, guys?
What up, boys?
This journey's taking long.
Anyway,
And
today,
it's only been
yeah.
1 day.
the journey still continues. Today we're gonna, right after we're done here, we're probably gonna, well, not probably, but we're gonna, unfortunately, we're gonna drop off our friend, Mr. Connor. Yep. So Connor will be staying back here in Oregon. And then, of course, we're gonna go back again, head back up to our hometown, Seattle. Before we continue the rest of the day, big shout out to the new election winners or winner. You already know who you are. I'm not gonna put you on the spot, but oh, look at that, right on. That thumbs up right there. I don't know if that's for the video or for the big shout out. Anyway, congratulations to you and to Baby Janice and Auntie Janet and Uncle Jen. All right. So you want to say something?
This journey is taking too long, and it's only been 1 day.
What? What?
I'm getting
Are you tired?
I want to go home and play games.
That's all you care about? Games? Huh? Okay, let's see how it is. Alright.
Next time, can we go to Great Wolf Lodge?
Okay, guys. Well, like I said, we'll see you guys in a few. Hopefully, our partners in crime, they're in the other room. Hopefully, they'll get up and go get some breakfast because we're hungry. And you know us, we cannot start the day without food, especially this guy. And unfortunately, we don't have any money right now, so Daddy cannot buy food. So yes. All right, we'll see you guys in a few. Okay.
Alright guys, we're at Dollar Tree because we are really hungry.
Wait a minute, just a correction on that. We're here at Dollar Tree, but not because we're hungry. we don't eat at Dollar Tree.
We're getting snacks.
Okay, my bad. So yeah, guys, we're back on the road again. Final trip, or this is the last day on our trip, and then of course we're heading back up to home. And so far so good. The trip has been exciting?
Yes.
It's been good so far, you know.
Except the car rides ruined it. Because
The what?
the car rides.
What car rides?
If we went on a plane, it would be better.
What do you mean car rides? Oh, you mean driving too long is too... Huh?
He fell on a carpet.
Driving too long? Oh, wow. What are you guys talking about? We're shooting a video. See? This is what happens when you don't listen, huh? You hurt yourself. Alright? How could you do that? Like
He fell on the carpet.
it's your last day with us, and yet you're already ruined
Get
with
that out of here.
Alright guys, well, just a special note, or a little note on our video. I mean, not our video, but we noticed that we just recently got a few subscribers added to our list. So thank you very much for those of you who just got subscribed to our channel. What?
Can I show you what I want at Wild Waves? It's an Oreo. It's like a pillow.
Do you want to go back or do you want to be
This is this is so funny, weird. You see how crazy it is? Now look at everybody. Everybody's in the car, and if you look straight into the back of this car, the back is still open, and everybody's already in the car. But good thing this thing is it's got the button right here, so I guess I'm just gonna press on that. Yeah. See? There you go. Good job. Thank you, Dutch, for making it very easy for
pass it along to whoever
islanders, because we are so tiparuts. Okay, we're gonna go eat because everybody's hungry. See, everybody. See, this is what happens. Like when they're so hungry, they even forgot to close the door. That's how typical Chukis are. Well, actually, maybe just our family, but yeah. Anyway, we're going to eat right now. Hopefully the food is good, because we're starving right now. And then after this, we're gonna go ahead and just head to the next destination, and that is nothing special. We're just gonna drop somebody off. All right. This guy. Yeah, you're so dead, man. You look dead. See, why did you stay up that late? All right, this guy stayed up late last night, so. What?
Here's your car because my leg hurts because
No.
you're crashing it.
No. Okay.
Oh, there's no car.
Time to eat. Look at those guys. We're eating food, and yet they're still talking about food.
Yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3. Look at this.
So yeah, who does that? Who does that? Like when you're eating and you're still talking about food. Those guys were doing it. Like, I want Rocky Road, blah blah blah. It shows when they're full, they're happy. But earlier everybody was so grumpy, like like you cannot even talk to them because they were all so crouchy, very grumpy. But now they're all happy because they're full. That simply says that they are Turkish Islanders. Like when your stomach is full, you're a happy person. When you're hungry, you're not a happy person. You're not a happy person. So right now, look at them, look at them, look at them.
It's like beep beep.
See?
My dad drives like this.
Alright guys, we just finished eating and we're gonna head to the next spot.
You're getting shoes?
Yeah.
Which
No,
one?
I'm not even getting this. These are junk.
You all. Wow, soccer players, good knock. Soccer players, good knock. He does not know what to get, right?
Yeah, because these shoes are junk.
Wow, what did? Comment below if you think that's good and
If it's ugly.
if it's ugly and what's the brand, because I don't know. So guys, I think he's gonna buy it. And he's gonna buy it. Kiani's gonna buy it, guys. So let's see if he looks good on it. You know what I'm saying? Plays basketball and yes. This guy's still looking
You know what tried on?
Martian. I can.
Yeah, but I'm gonna pay for it.
That's your shoes?
Get these ones. Ooh. No, I don't know.
That's your
What about
shoes.
these ones?
Everybody's taking so long. I was with my brother and then I lost him. And then I was with my dad and I lost him. Like, what's going on? But we're having fun. This guy, he said, be quiet. Be quiet, I'm trying to vlog.
Are you reflective? You will be filthy if they're reflective.
Wait.
Even on these ones too. Maybe that's the design.
Maybe that's the design. What? The Fortnite dance.
Oh.
You gotta say.
What?
Do you wanna buy shoes?
Nah, we're here for these guys.
He got his choice. And Martin's still looking. So see you in a little bit. Alright guys. We are finished going to a Nike store, just checking out, just getting the things, and we're just gonna go to our car.
Hurry up.
With your brother.
What up, Connor?
Okay. Okay. See you next time. Okay.
Okay, Connor. You be good. So guys, Connor is staying back. We're gonna come get him next time.
Connor, yeah, Connor, you can have my Skittles. Yeah.
Okay.
Mother, can you take a picture of you with the boys?
Yeah, come take picture.
Connor, where's your glasses? Oh, it's okay, but you didn't put it down. Okay, come take a picture. What's that?
What? What bag? Okay.
Turn around, you guys. Wilson, go. He's hot. Here. Here. Wilson, come over here.
Hey, leave it.
Where is he?
Told you.
Hey, student, come on in. Wilson, can you like speak, please? My neck is burning. One.
All right.
Wilson. Bunny chest.
Doing it.
One, two, three. Wait, one more. Okay. One, two, three.
Good job.
One.
Okay, you be good, okay, Connor? Huh? Oh, and one more thing, Connor, don't forget to watch our video, okay? Cause I'm gonna fix it and then you watch it, okay?
You know what? Look, Monty. You go shower, man.
Hi, Connor.
Say goodbye to our little friend Connor. Oh, not that's Connor. Kiss on.
Bye, come on in.
Mommy, brother, you love me. Daddy, brother, you love me. Whatever made it for taking you. To you and me now better make sense, yeah. I mean think about it. You that nearly every night symbol, yeah. Look at to get your look on number John. Out from everyone, you number one. Think no you better not away. Wish I could hold you just for 1 minute, but I put to stop it. Mommy, brother, you love me. Daddy, brother, you love me. Whatever made it for taking you.
Yes. Feels good to be. Finally, we're home. We are home.
Yay!
How's the trip, guys?
Good.
Huh?
Tiring.
Tiring? Why?
Traffic.
Traffic? I thought you liked traffic. All right, guys. So we are here. We're home. Just got back.
Back and I'm tired.
he's tired. He's tired. Oh yeah, we're back. Huh? We're back home. How was the trip? Too short? Good? It was fun. Okay, good job. How was the trip, man?
Good.
Huh? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that! What are you doing? Hi, Janice.
Say hi.
Hi, Janice.
Say hi.
Mama?
Say hi.
Hi, Mama. Okay,
Say
bye. Bye.
Hi.
All right. So, thanks, guys. I'm gonna close it off for now. Okay. See you.